Welcome back to the channel. This is the Earth Science Classroom. This video is on astronomy and we're looking at the Earth, Moon and Sun system, in particular looking at the Moon's ecliptic, discussing what this is, what it means, how it affects the Earth, Moon and Sun system. This is the Earth Science Classroom. First, some definitions. So the word revolution just means the movement or apparent movement or pathway of our planet Earth around our star, the Sun. And this takes 1 year or 365.25 days. And in astronomy, a plane, a P-L-A-N-E, is a two-dimensional flat area or surface of which a celestial object like the Earth follows an imaginary or apparent path around a star in terms of the gravitational pull of that star and the velocity of the planet as it moves around in or on a pathway. The ecliptic plane is the pathway of which the Earth takes as it revolves around the Sun, so one orbital path. Here we have a very basic diagram with the Sun on the far left, the middle of the Earth, and the Moon on the right. Now, this is the system between all three, and as we know, the Earth is revolving around the Sun. The Sun's also spinning on its axis very slowly, and as the Earth revolves around the Sun, taking 1 year, it revolves along what's called the Earth's ecliptic, which is that apparent pathway around the Sun. Now, the Moon is orbiting the Earth due to the Earth's gravitational pull on the Moon, and the Moon is facing the Earth in one side constantly because it is tidally locked due to the gravitational pull. Now, as the Moon revolves around the Earth, which takes 27 days, it is also tilted, just like the Earth, but a lot less, inclination of 6.6 degrees inclination or tilt, whereas the Earth is 23.5 degrees, and it does change over time, a range of 21.5 degrees up to 24.5 degrees. So as the Moon is revolving around the Earth and the Earth is concurrently revolving around the Sun, the Moon does not revolve on the same ecliptic plane as the Earth does to the Sun. It is slightly different. It is slightly inclined at 5.1 degrees off the Earth's ecliptic plane, which means that the Moon is slightly going to revolve at a different angle as the Earth is revolving around the Sun. Therefore, this difference in the two ecliptics, the Earth's ecliptic and the lunar ecliptic, is going to create differences in eclipses. So when the Moon is going to either be positioned at different nodes which align with the Earth's ecliptic, which will cause an alignment between the Earth, Moon and Sun, whereas the Moon's in between the Sun and the Earth, and we get a solar eclipse, and the Moon's on the other side of the Earth, whereas the Moon becomes darkened because of the Earth's shadow. We call this a lunar eclipse. So the eclipses are related, and the times in which they occur are created due to this change in angle of the lunar ecliptic at 5.1 degrees. This is the Earth Science Classroom. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe, like and share. And if you want more content and videos on Earth science, please check out my channel.